My people, so what we're doing today is a whole different take. I'm doing a quick tip Wednesday, and this is because my friend over at Blind Grillng, Chris, and his daughter just got in a car accident, and they normally do quick tip Tuesdays. He doesn't know I'm doing this. But you all go show him love. They're recovering well, and so I'm hoping he gets back onto the game pretty soon. Anyhow, here's my quick tip. When you get mushrooms from the grocery store, normally they come in like a plastic tub like this, with plastic wrap on top. Or you grab bulk and you throw them in plastic. What you want to do instead, grab yourself a whole bunch of school lunch bags, throw those into there, because what'll happen is the moisture from the mushrooms will actually get absorbed by the paper, so they'll last a lot longer and not get slimy. So you just throw those in your fridge. Anyhow, so once you get home from the grocery store, go ahead and knock those out, throw those in there. First thing. Anyhow, hope you enjoyed this quick tip. Please do go check out Chris's channel. It's below. And give him some support. Him and his daughter just got in a car accident, and that was after his wife actually just got out of surgery too. So, thank you all. Go support his channel. Does some fantastic cooks, and I think he probably is the most amazing cook in the world. So, Pickles out.